Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models have practically built themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv, and today we are in the new warehouse over here at Kit Links. Yep, things are up and running, and you can see we got stacks and stacks of models, and there's more coming. So today I'm walking around, taking a look, seeing what's new, and I come across this. I was going to say stumble across this, but I didn't stumble, I completely fell. But check this out, 1/48 scale by Meng. Let's open this thing up and let's take a look at it and see what it is that's going to be in here when you get yours. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Here's this side of it. Looks like you got some color call outs for the AK Interactive paints. And this side of it. Sorry about the glare, guys. All right. Let's see what's in here. A bunch of plastic. Now, I'm going to go ahead and keep these in the bags. Well, I guess no. We're okay. We can re-staple that. That's just okay. So first off, looks like we have the part of the fuselage here, and just look at the quality of the engraving here. Just spectacular molding. Very, very nice. Very nice. And here we have, looks like the bottom. Again, look at the engraving on here. Oh yeah. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, let's move over here. Looks like we've got some pylons and drop tanks. We even got a figure. Well, that just figures. And another one. So again, this is two of the same. This is sprue D. Let's just do this. Okay. So looking at, oh, look at these intakes. Very nice. The detail, the molding on this is amazing. Pretty decent looking landing gear. Oh yeah, that's nice. More of the fuselage. Again, look at the detail on this. This is sprue A. That instrument cluster, that's pretty nice. All right. And tail assemblies. This is sprue B. So these parts I'm going to leave in the plastic, but I mean, you have some idea of what the details like. Just amazing. So here's your interior tub. Your clear parts. And yes, they're very clear and they're very well packed, and they have lots of cushiony stuff in them. Looks like we have some missiles. Oh, we have some bums, some smart bums. Those look really nice. Wow. Some fins, not shark fins. More clear parts. Ah, other bums. Bigger smart bums. Still more clear parts. Holy smoke. It's got enough lights to light up New York City, I think. And some more missiles. Send the missiles. Very nice. Got some little screws here. And finally, these parts. This is a lot of plastic. 1/48 scale aircraft. Holy smokes. Pretty good. Okay, let's take a look at this decal sheet. We're not going to take it out of the wrapping, but, well, first off, yeah, let's take a look at what we got here. It looks like a little piece of photo wedge in there, some screens. See if I can get that moved around better. There you go. All right, now for the main decals. And these, let's see here. See if this will work. Yeah, there you go. And there's your decals. And there's a lot of decals. A lot of different choices there. Pretty cool. Your manual on, and I'm not going to open this because this one is sealed. It's not just stapled, so I'm not going to open this. But yeah, quite the manual it looks like on how to put this thing together. And I guess it needs it because, man, there's a lot of parts there. So, all right, folks. Well, hopefully that will help you with seeing the quality of this and what you will be getting when you get yours. We'll see you again next.